I cannot tell you how excited I am that I finally got a neck mount for my phone. Now, I love this brand specifically for their high quality filming equipment. I love their softbox lights. They make so many high quality products, but I didn't just go with this because I know and love the brand. I did a lot of research first, and this one looked like the best option as well. So let's unbox it and put it to the test. If your phone won't magnetically mount on its own, this comes with 2 stick-on magnetizing plates so you can use whatever device you currently have. It also comes with some white stickers and some wipes and a lanyard. I can always use more microfiber towels. And then the neck mount itself is so cool. It's fully adjustable, so you really can shape it however you want, which gives you a lot of control. Even if you're not using this as a neck mount, this could be fascinating in so many uses. And then it really does just clip in. So you can clip it around your neck, and when you're finished, you just hit this button and it will unclick. But it will not come apart unless you hit the button. Pretty easy. And then the other button is to remove whatever mount you have attached to the front of it. And you do have options. Now, the first adapter you get is for action cameras. Think GoPro. And it really does just magnetically want to stick in, but do not just let the magnets try to pull it on. You do, in fact, need to get it to slide in, and then you twist it until it clips. When it clips, that means this button is the only way for it to come off. This isn't going anywhere. And then once you have this in place, you can attach your action camera directly to it. And then you want to be sure to twist this screw in, which will tighten it in place where you want your action camera to be aimed. So this gives you that control. As this tightens around the adapter on the camera, it's going to hold this in place for you really well. Now I'm here for the phone mount, so let me remove this. So I'll hit the button and it just twists right out. And now I'm going to add the phone mount. Now the phone mount has some heft to it, so keep that in mind. This is super sturdy. And it'll just twist right in as well until you hear it clip into place, and then it's locked. And then once it's on, you can adapt it as much as you want, aiming more down or up at the bottom. And then also the top piece, the magnetic piece right here, also can be adapted. And all of these are not sliding. They're very strong, so it's not going to move on you once you set it in place. It's going to hold its position. And finally, it comes with another lanyard. This one's great. You really can connect it to whatever you want, and it actually does pop off as well, so you can lock the items to it. This is specifically for the sides of a camera, and now I have it ready to go. I really can just set this up how I want. I could stretch it out more if I want it higher up, or pull it down more if I want lower down, and then of course adjust this however I want to adjust it. So let me put my phone on this and see how it looks. And now I am recording. That is magical. I love that I can not only look at my camera and make sure I'm focused, but now I really could just start talking about specific items here. And if it feels too close to your face, you can definitely pop it out more, as this makes it much easier for me to say, show you the manual. And we could go through it together and just see everything that I've covered with you. But I can also now walk around my room. This will be really nice for recording things like vacuuming or cooking in the kitchen. Anytime when I want to show you what I'm doing with my hands, this is fantastic. This is surprisingly smooth. I really, really like how nice it is to walk around. This is impressive. I am so glad I got it. If you are looking for a fantastic neck holder mount, get this one from Neewer. You're gonna love it.